हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू ixam बी। प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सीरीज में आज हम लास्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सीपीसी। इस टॉपिक की बहुत ज़्यादा वेटेज नहीं रही है, अब कंसिडरेबली इसकी वेटेज बढ़ गई है। नाउ सीपीसी, ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, आर्बिट्रेशन एंड लिमिटेशन विल हैव 25% वेटेज। इसका मतलब 12-13 क्वेश्चंस इस एरिया से आ सकते हैं। In the previous 2 years, there have been only 7 questions from CPC. Let's move to first. A decree holder is any person in whose favor a decree has been passed, any person in whose favor an interim relief is granted, who is in debt by a decree, against whom decree is passed, who does not get decree executed. Correct answer here is A, any person in whose favor a decree has been passed. ये आपका CPC में section 2 subsection 3 the definition of decree holder. Question number 2, which provision deals with measne profits? एक्चुअली सेक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं, ये मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया है, बट द आइडिया इज दैट देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मेसने प्रॉफिट्स और रिलेटेड सेक्शन से। तो यहाँ पर मेसने प्रॉफिट्स की डेफिनेशन पूछी हुई होगी। Here we are discussing the section numbers. Answer is 1. Section 2 subsection 12 of CPC talks about measne profits. Measne profits of property means those profits which the person in wrongful possession of such property actually received or might with ordinary diligence have received therefrom, together with interest on such profits, but shall not include profits due to improvement made by the person in wrongful possession. तो यहाँ पर जहाँ तक मुझे याद है क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का था, मेसने प्रॉफिट्स में क्या क्या हो सकता है, व्हाट इज मेसने प्रॉफिट्स। सो प्रॉफिट्स मेड बाय पर्सन इन रॉन्गफुल पोजेशन, इंटरेस्ट आर आल्सो इंक्लूडेड, इंटरेस्ट आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड, प्रॉफिट्स ड्यू टू इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आर इंक्लूडेड, प्रॉफिट्स ड्यू टू इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड। तो इस टाइप का इनको कंबाइन करके क्वेश्चन था। Moving to question 3. The court may compel attendance of any person to whom a summon has been issued. For this purpose, a maximum fine can be imposed to the tune of. Correct answer is A, to the tune of rupees 5,000. ये आपका section 32 में दिया हुआ है, penalty for default. Court may compel the attendance of any person to whom summons have been issued under section 30 and for that purpose may issue a warrant for his arrest, attach and sell property, impose a fine upon him not exceeding 5,000 rupees, order him to furnish security for his appearance, and in default commit him to civil prison. Question 4. If judgment debtor obstructs delivery of possession of property, then what can court do? Correct answer here is B. Court can make order for detention of judgment debtor at the instance of decree holder. यहाँ पर शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स यूज की हुई है, क्वेश्चन में एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन में शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स नहीं आते हैं, तो यहाँ जजमेंट डेटर लिखा होगा, यहाँ पर डिक्री होल्डर लिखा होगा। दिस इज फ्रॉम सेक्शन नंबर 51, पावर ऑफ कोर्ट टू एनफोर्स एग्जीक्यूशन सब्जेक्ट टू सच कंडीशंस एंड लिमिटेशंस एज मे बी प्रिस्क्राइब। द कोर्ट मे ऑन द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिक्री होल्डर order execution of the decree by delivery of any property specifically decreed, by attachment and sale or by sale without attachment of any property, by arrest and detention in prison, by appointing a receiver or in such other manner as the nature of relief granted may require. Then question number 5, where immovable property is sold in execution of a decree and such sale has become absolute, the property shall be deemed to have vested in the purchaser from the time. So when will the property be vested? The property will be vested when the property is sold, not when the sale becomes absolute. Section 65 of CPC talks about it, where immovable property is sold in execution of a decree and such sale has become absolute, the property shall be deemed to have vested in the purchaser from the time when the property is sold and not from the time when the sale becomes absolute. Question number 6. What can a civil court do in case resistance is caused to execution of a decree by judgment debtor? So in that case, court can order that decree holder be put in possession of the property, or court can order civil prison of 30 days maximum to the judgment debtor. Section 74 of CPC talks about it. It says both A and C can be ordered by civil court in situation as mentioned, where court is satisfied that the holder of decree for the possession of immovable property or that the purchaser of immovable property sold in execution of decree has been resisted or obstructed in obtaining possession of the property by judgment debtor or some person on his behalf, then court may at the instance of decree holder or purchaser order the judgment debtor or such other person to be detained in civil prison for a term which may extend to 30 days and may further direct that the decree holder or purchaser be put in the possession of property. Question number 7. Impleading an unnecessary party to a suit is. Non-joinder of parties, misjoinder, joinder of necessary parties, joinder of parties, joinder of proper parties. Answer is B, misjoinder of parties. Unnecessary party को अगर सूट में implead करने को बोला जाए तो उसे misjoinder बोलते हैं. It means a joinder of party who ought not to have been joined either as plaintiff or as defendant. In other words, it refers to impleading an unnecessary party. It may also refer to a situation in which plaintiff is impleaded as a defendant and vice versa, party wrongfully impleaded. This all is covered under Order 1 of CPC. So these 7 questions have come from CPC. I think most of you are leaving CPC out because आपको सिर्फ 40 मार्क्स लेने हैं, ऐसा कोई बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोर नहीं करना है और CPC बहुत बड़ा है. बट आप में से जो लोग भी CPC को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको एक PDF मिलेगा जिसमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होंगे फ्रॉम CPC फॉर प्रैक्टिस. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस देम, यू कैन सी आपने जो भी CPC में पढ़ा है वो आपका प्रिपेयर हो चुका है या नहीं, उसके क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर पा रही हैं या नहीं. अगर आपके कोई भी डाउट्स हैं, कोई भी सजेशंस हैं, कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. आप हमें इस नंबर पर कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. Our exam helps you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.